Traders, I'm looking at the pound dollar on the monthly time frame. This, in my opinion, is bearish. And we can see here break of market structure. So I'm just looking at this from the bigger picture. So break of structure right here. Okay, this low, lower high. It's a monthly time frame. But I'm just looking at this from an intraday / swing trade opportunity heading into the rest of Feb, or mid-Feb onwards, something like that. But I think this is going to target these lows. So let's just have a look at that on the weekly. Probably going to get a bit of conflicting information on the lower time frames. Now we've got this shift in the trend here. Right, so we've got this weekly trend moving north, and we've got this changing character here, lower low. See, so we can see this starting to trend down on the weekly time frame. Let's just have a look at this on the daily. In fact, we'll mark this up here. So we'll go down to the daily. So given that the monthly and the weekly are giving me a bearish outlook, well, we can see that happening on the daily time frame as well. So just be a little bit careful. We've got data coming out. You can see down here we've got data coming out that's going to impact both the pound and the dollar. I'm just going to be watching this through this period, and I'm thinking I'll be looking for short, but you might see a fair bit of volatility before an opportunity. Okay, but keep this one on the radar. That would be my take. Okay, so just wait for these events to play out. I mean, look, see this topping price action here. This could, I'll just pull that the other way, be offering us a monster trade opportunity. In other words, there's my target area down in here. And I mean, if we were short, say up around here somewhere, stop above with a target down here. I mean, look at that. That's 5-6R risk reward. All right, so this is definitely one to keep on the radar. I'll be watching it. I think this will give us some really nice opportunities. Not only one trade, but what I really want to do with this is enter multiple times. In other words, we potentially short it here. There's your target, something like that. But not only that, copy and paste. Every pullback, do we get an opportunity to build on this position? That could be incredibly lucrative. So I'll be eyeing this pair for this kind of an opportunity. Guys, I'd like to hear your comments. Definitely leave a comment below. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one.